For over 20 years, JV Driver has been providing industrial construction services to the oil and gas, energy, petrochemical, forestry, and mining sectors. With their head office in Leduc, Alberta, JV Driver employs upward of 3,000 people. JV Driver offers more than just technical expertise and a commitment to quality. They provide clients with innovative, efficient solutions and employees with a safe, growth-oriented work environment across a variety of projects. With a total commitment to safety, quality, and excellence in the industrial construction industry, JV Driver provides value not only for their clients, but opportunities for their employees by challenging the status quo, looking after each other, having fun, and building great things together. Corey Callahan is a journeyman plumber and gas fitter by trade. He started his career with JV Driver in 1994 in High Prairie, Alberta. As general manager, Corey is the man in charge of the fabrication facility located in Nisku. The 80-acre facility is unique in that it is single site, single source, the only one of its kind in Western Canada, and has the capacity for 300 plus modules annually.
What we're focused on is making sure that our clients can bring us a project and we can execute it from start to finish. Everything from fabricating the structural steel for the modules, fabricating the pipe that goes into the modules, and then assembling and erecting the modules themselves before they ship to site. Trying to take man hours out of the field and trying to do everything as much as possible here at the facility.
The facility itself employs multiple skilled trades, from iron worker and pipe fitters to electricians and welders. JV Driver is a leader in all forms of welding, but specializes in high nickel alloy welding, which requires more complex training than a standard journeyman welding ticket.
JV Driver really promotes the growth of the craft and not just pigeonholing them into you're just a skilled trades worker. And it's been very fortunate for people like myself to be with this company. You don't have to be an engineer to excel and to get into a management position.
An outdoor and adventure enthusiast, Corey owns land which gives him plenty of opportunity to get outside and enjoy his passion for the outdoors and spend some time with his family.
As with any good acreage owner, there's always a lot of work to do, but you try and balance that with getting out with the kids and making sure you got time to play. And of course, we like to ATV and we like to fish, so getting out and doing those activities is pretty important to me. So we have quite a few animals out here, so something as simple as walking through the trails and looking for the owl, or seeing the deer out here, or the moose that occasionally swim in the pond, that sort of thing. So it's a lot of fun out here. Time passes so quickly, so if you don't get out and do things, I think you'll be looking back in a few years asking where the time went. So that's why I like to stay active and like to stay engaged with my family and my friends, and make sure that I spend the time with them as well outside of work.
Bill Elkington is the chairman of JV Driver. It was Bill's passion for people, for innovation, and building great things that helped found the company.
We have 4 core values: take care of each other, be innovative, build great things, and have fun. If they fit in that culture, they will do very well with JV Driver. Big thing is treat people the way you would like to be treated.
With numerous projects on the go at any given time around Alberta, JV Driver is not only a favorable contractor for companies such as CNRL, Shell, and Suncor, but they're deeply committed to having one of the safest workplace environments in the province. JV Driver has not had a lost time workplace incident in over 15 years and has won numerous safety awards.
We've won Safest Contractor in Alberta award from Safe Alberta since 2005 every year. And keeping people safe is part of our core value of taking care of each other.
Steve Chapman started his career as a steam fitter pipe fitter, but has worked his way up to his current position as a project manager. Steve works out of the Leduc office, but lives in Vancouver and flies home every weekend to be with his family. Steve is a big believer in providing opportunities for young tradespeople and mentors and coaches them in their career as much as possible. Having a trade is only the start to a great career and can take you to many different places.
Once you have your trade, you can go any direction. You can work your trade, which is an excellent career, but it's also a stepping stone. And what I mean by that is you can go into so many different avenues. There's quality control, there's safety, of course there's management, and if you are interested in any of those avenues, the door just opens right up. So there's opportunity is endless. And if you show that you're interested in that, JV Driver, we really like to promote people and we like to help them get there with mentoring and coaching.
The steam fitter pipe fitter trade is in demand, and anyone looking to have a career for life should consider the pipe fitter trade as a strong career choice.
It was a great opportunity to travel and to make money. It's a very challenging trade. I picked a steam fitter pipe fitter because it was a good opportunity for advancement. There's not a lot of pipe fitters, believe it or not. There's a lot of pipe fitters out there, but we need more. So there's lots of room for advancement and room for work.
Once considered a trade where brute strength was a necessity, new engineering techniques have made the trade more accessible to all body types.
A pipe fitter will rig the piping in. They'll prep the pipe. What I mean by prepping is they'll grind the end, they'll grind the bevels clean for the welder. They'll fit the fittings to the pipe and allow the welder to tack it and then the welder to weld it out. So they'll create the shape that's required to move the product from one place to another.
Steve believes in balance, and JV Driver supports his lifestyle. Steve regularly takes training and development classes to improve his professional skills that will allow him to continue to move up in the company. During his time off, Steve spends lots of time with the family in Vancouver and keeps himself busy with many activities throughout the year.
I enjoy playing golf. I enjoy fishing. I have a motorcycle. I like to ride my motorcycle. Of course, I like to spend time with my family and my friends. Well, we work hard and we play hard at JV Driver. I mean, we have a lot of fun things like golf tournaments and fishing trips and things where we all get together and have some good camaraderie. So I think we support each other in that aspect, where we'll go to the hockey game together, and like the family atmosphere will come out.
JV Driver offers competitive wages, flexible shift schedules, training opportunities, and transportation options as part of their commitment to their employees.
So our first summer student is now a vice president. So he started 20 years ago. He left the company for a while. We call it coming home. Unlimited opportunity was what you have in this business. Wherever it's what you want to put into it, and that's what you'll get out.
JV Driver is a competitive and results-oriented contractor that pays great attention to detail. Doing work once right, a dedication to safety, a belief in teamwork and innovation combined with the commitment of this team has allowed JV Driver to develop and flourish in the industry. JV Driver, it's the perfect place to build your future.